Hello, welcome. So this video tutorial guide is going to show you how you can blur out pictures or art on your mobile phone. How you can blur out pictures on your mobile phone. An example of what I'm talking about is let me show you something over my gallery. So I have something over here. Okay, let me just look for an example of what I want to show you. An example is this. Okay, how you can make something like this, how you can blow out in a picture like this. Let me look for another example if I have any. Okay, I can't find one, but that will just that will give you a clip. Something okay, how you can blow out something like this with your mobile phone. And let me see if I can find another one that way, so as to emphasize my point ahead. And also this, how you can blur out this. So this is what we'll be looking at in today's video tutorial guide. So let me go on to the app we'll be using, and the app we'll be using is called Photoroom. Just go to your app store, preferably app store. Just go to your app store and search for Photoroom over here, and you will have something like this. So this is the interface of the app. It's called Photoroom. So it asked me to update mine. So since I'm using another version, there's no need for me to update. So I'll just open, and then and let me just go over to my app. So okay, so this is the so if it has done loading the home page, just click on this start from photo down here. Okay, let me click on start from photo, and then go to gallery over here and go select the picture that I want to use for this video. So I have it down here, and let me go with this. So just wait for it to do the scanning or something like that. So what this app first does to picture is that it removes the background. But since already I have this picture in PNG format, which is there's no background, so you're just going to do it as usual. So when it has done loading, we'll be clicking on this transparent part, so we can use it for different projects. So click on this transparent here, and when you are there, so it's gonna bring in. So click on this graphics or this image that will talk about the image, and scroll down a little bit and go to this blur option. So this is where the blur will be done. So just wait for it. Okay, activated. Okay, let me activate the blur. Okay, so when you've activated the blur icon, it's gonna bring a lot of options that you can use, the kind of blur that you want. So this one will give you something like this. So it give you a blur option. So we'll be going with this motion because I think it's the most popular one. And when you get to this motion, just you can what this slider does is to like increase it or reduce the blur. So if I reduce it, so you can see that it's kind of just blur a little bit. So the more I increase it, it's going to increase the blur effect. So this is basically how this can be done on your Photoroom. So and if you are done with that, just click on the share icon up here and look for the save to gallery, and it's going to save to your mobile phone. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remain blessed.